morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you must be staying healthy and safe. So, students, today this is your EVS period, and so before starting the lesson, can any one of you can tell me that where do we live? What is all around us? Yes, we live on Earth. So today we will be studying the lesson, the shape of the Earth. Right? So we live on the Earth with different kinds of birds and animals, and it is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is the only planet where life exists. Now, students, do you know what is this? You must have already seen in the earlier classes also. This is a globe. So Earth is like a globe. It is round, or you can say it is spherical in shape. Earth is a huge globe. But students, do you know that many years ago, people used to believe that Earth is flat in shape. They used to believe that if they will travel too far, so after a certain point of time, they will reach at the edge of the Earth, at the end of the Earth, and they will fall down. But which was proved wrong by Ferdinand Magellan, who was a Portuguese sailor. So he sailed along with his crew for almost 3 years in the same direction, and when they reached back to their destination, they got to know that they reached to the same place from where they have started. So hence it is proved that Earth is round in shape and not flat. Later on, when our astronauts also travel to space, when they see from the space, they also prove that yes, the Earth is round in shape and not flat. Now I'll give you some examples through which you will be very much clear about these two shapes. I have a small ball which is round in shape and a coin which is flat in shape. I have an orange which is round in shape and a bangle which is flat in shape. I have a ball which is round in shape and plate which is flat in shape. So I hope now you must be clear about these two different kinds of shapes. Now, as now all of you must know that the Earth is round in shape, but now the question arises then why it appears as to be flat. If it is round in shape, why it appears as to be flat? So for this I am going to show you an example through which will be very much clear. So I have taken three things of round shapes, a ball, an orange and a bigger ball, and I have taken three buttons, flattened buttons which are of the same size, right? So first what I am going to do, I'll place all these three buttons on these three different things, and then we will find what is the difference between all these three. I have placed this button on the small ball first, right? Then I have placed this button on the orange, and then I have placed this button on the bigger ball. So did you find any difference? What did you find? Yes, we have found that when we have placed this button on the bigger ball, so it lays completely on the surface of the ball. In the same way, the Earth on which we live, it's a big sphere, and the surface what we see is very small in size. So that is the reason it appears as to be flat, whereas this is round in shape. But again, this is not perfectly round in shape. As you can see, there are two points which are a little bit flattened, which are known as North Pole and South Pole. See, this is North Pole and this is South Pole. So here the Earth is little bit flattened. One more thing at the end of this lesson, I just want to tell you. In this globe, you can see maximum part is of blue color. Why? Yes, just because the maximum part is covered with the water. 70% of our Earth is covered with water, whereas the 30% is covered with the land. That's why it is blue in color. So students, I hope today you have understood about the shape of our Earth, and to make it more clear, I will be sharing video with you, and also I will sharing the worksheets with you. Please do them and post it on our WhatsApp group. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.